Here's a step-by-step Jaguar 2.2 diesel timing belt guide. Let's get started. Pop off the engine cover, then remove the front turbo pipe. The auxiliary belt and tensioner is now accessible. Release the belt tension, then pop off the belt. With the lower engine cover removed, we can mark the crankshaft. Then, we can lock off the crank to loosen the 22mm pulley bolt. Back on top. Remove upper timing belt cover. You can then mark crank pulley for reference, then remove lower pulley. The pulley fastener will be tight. Remove the two 10mm, then the lower cover will lift off. Mark the cam belt, cam pulley, and back plate. I put a T for top on the belt. Mark the bottom pulley to engine, and belt to the pulley, like this. Now release tensioner, and unbolt guide. The belt can now be removed. Here you can clearly see my tip X marks. As always, it's recommended to replace the water pump. This easily removes. Clean the mating face. Then refit new pump. Now the new guide and tensioner can be fitted. Leave tensioner slightly loose. Duplicate your marks on the new belt. Then refit. Turn cam slightly anti-clockwise to take up slack on right. Then tension with Allen key. You will need to remove the transit pin first. Watch the pointer align. Once lined up, tighten the tensioner. All that's left to do is turn crankshaft to full revolutions. Double check timing marks, and check belt is correctly tensioned. Rebuild in reverse order. Job done. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. Please feel free to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.